Saif Ali Khan's attacker is in police custody. Shariful Islam to be in 5-day police custody. The dacoit of Saif home was dacoity was the main motive of the attackers' move over there. Stunning Bangladeshi link to Saif's stabbing. The court says that international conspiracy is possible. Observations has the court made till this point? Vidya, if you're with us.
I can hear you.
Yeah, Vidya, could you bring us up to speed with what's the latest in terms of the observations made by the Bandra court?
The prosecution had put out a point that at some point they said that this accused had been living in Mumbai for about 7 years. Though earlier in the press conference, the police commissioner, the deputy police commissioner, while addressing the media, had very clearly said that it was for the last 6 to 7 months that the accused was living in Mumbai, and that he's actually from Bangladesh. However, the remand paper does not really state that. It says that he's been here for around 7 years, and the defense lawyers very clearly said that the accused not only has been living in here for years and years, but he has a family too, though they are not coming in the forefront because they do not want to be dragged into this entire case right now, but they will eventually come out and give details. But right now, because the accused, the sections that have been invoked in this particular case, that are trespassing and dacoity, in those kind of cases, the grounds of arrest should have been conveyed and a notice should have been served to the accused, which was not done, and thus it was an illegal arrest. However, the magistrate on his own said that though the police has not invoked the sections of attempt to murder, but since this is a crime and he is not bound by what the prosecution says, so he feels that because this is grievous injuries, there are grievous charges that are should be invoked in this case, and thus there is no need for a notice to be given, and thus this is not a case of illegal arrest. And because this is a case where international conspiracy can be seen as being said by the prosecution, who said very clearly that there is a Bangladeshi connect and there could be an international ramification, there is a conspiracy in this, so that could be there, and thus looking into all this entire gamut, he decided to give custody of 5 days. So till 24th of January, the accused will be in the custody of the Mumbai police.
Let me also bring in Ritvik Bhalekar, who's joining us from the Dadar court. Ritvik, in terms of the challenges that the prosecution could face in this particular case, could you outline for us what those top challenges perhaps in the court could be?
Absolutely. The defense lawyer argued that the accused, who's been nabbed from Thane, has no connection as such with the case. He is totally unaware of the case, and he has been purposely been somehow been framed in this case. They are also saying that he is a young boy, and they can prove, and they have the evidences which proves that he is not from Bangladesh origin, but he is Indian, and they are ready to produce the documents related to this. Obviously, they were saying that he is staying here from last 5 to 6 years, and not as per the claims made by prosecution that he has come to Mumbai just 5 to 6 months earlier from Bangladesh. Also, there were many questions raised by defense lawyers saying that just because the case is related to Saif Ali Khan, who is a celebrity, it is being blown out of proportion, and there's not really any need for the police custody, and he can be granted judicial custody. So prosecution submitted all the materials obviously the gruesome attack and the grievous injuries were cited, and also the knife which was used was in 3 parts, and 2 other parts are still missing, and they need to investigate the case further, is what been claimed by the prosecution. And on this basis and this material evidences, magistrate maintained that the judicial custody is not possible, and obviously police custody of 5 days is given, and hence as it is claimed that he comes from Bangladesh origin, there might be some international conspiracy which will take time to investigate.
Okay, Ritvik, thank you so much for bringing us all those details.